Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zenith Roblox. First, understand that Zenith is a powerful tool designed to enhance your Roblox experience by allowing custom script execution. It's crucial to download it from a reputable source to ensure safety and avoid any unwanted software. This initial step is vital for a secure and effective setup, laying the groundwork for all subsequent operations within the platform. To install Zenith, begin by downloading the official installer from its designated website. You might need to temporarily disable your antivirus software, as it sometimes flags exploit tools. Once downloaded, run the installer and carefully follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup process. A quick restart of your computer after installation is highly recommended to ensure all changes are properly applied and Zenith functions correctly. After installation, launch Roblox and join any game you wish to modify. Next, open the Zenith executor and locate the Inject button, clicking it to connect Zenith to your game. Then, paste your desired script into the provided script editor window. Finally, with your script in place, simply click the Execute button to run it, instantly applying its effects within your chosen Roblox experience. When using Zenith, always prioritize responsible behavior. Remember that exploiting in competitive games can lead to account bans, so proceed with caution. It's also essential to verify the safety of any script before execution to protect your system from malicious code. Lastly, keep your Zenith software updated to its newest version. This ensures optimal performance, access to the latest features, and enhanced security measures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.